two companies. But I thought that was a funny fact about me. Alright, so now we got all the images we want, right? And just give them a second to load. And there we go. And actually, I should have showed you how to optimize an image, because an image file is really big, so you're not gonna want it. You're not gonna want to to have such a big image on your website, because it's going to slow it down. So I'm gonna save this partners 10. Go to your folder where it's at, so I can show you how big it is. Images. Alright, so you can see that this is 2.5 megabytes. If I'm not wrong, that's a quarter of a gigabyte. So that's a pretty big file. That means that in here, see, this one is 3.6. I must have over, I don't know, 5 gigabytes of space just on my website. I mean, just on this, yeah, just on this one page website. So to fix all of that, you highlight them all. Wait. And then you go to a website called kraken.io to optimize your image. And optimizing means stripping down of all the unnecessary information that an image contains so that it's as light as possible. So I already have an account, but it's super simple to make one. Let's say I sign out. Boom, I didn't have an account. I will go to sign up, and then you go in and make your account, right? That's not my name, by the way. But this website, for some reason, it doesn't let you delete storage. So once you run out of storage, you gotta make a new account. And that's what I've been doing. And I was thinking of paying, but I thought they have really bad customer service. So if I run out of space in my paid account, then what would be the whole point of the thing? Why would I pay for more space if I'm gonna end up running out of it? Alright, so I'm gonna drag and drop all of that right there. And just wait, it's gonna take a hot minute. Maybe, maybe not. Man. Alright, so while we're waiting for that, and this is what I would normally do. I would optimize some images and then I would keep moving because it's gonna take a while. Alright, so we're down to our team. Almost done with this page. So let's scroll all the way down to our team. I think I passed it right here. So our team of creative, of adventurous, oops, for this. Alright guys, don't judge me right now, but I cannot spell that word. Adventurous sailors. Then we're gonna write. It's okay though, because I use Grammarly, so usually when I'm writing stuff like that, I don't have to worry about spelling too much. That doesn't mean I don't know how to spell, but some words that I don't write very often, sometimes I don't remember. So then we write our team of adventurous sailors, and that's just to show that you don't need to know everything, because there are tools out there that can help you. So you don't have to memorize everything. You just gotta, all you have to do is learn how to use the right tools. Okay, so our sailors go around the world, and I'm writing this because I want people to know what my sailors do. This is what you would do for your company, for your team members. You write about what they are, what they do, what they're about, what makes them special, right? go around the world saving lives and making world changing discoveries. Talk about a jack of all trades. Save. Then here we have the image right there, demo author -2. This is weird. Why would the first image be -2? The second image is -6, and that one is -4. Alright, I don't know what's up with the naming convention on this part, but we will just change it. Alright, so we'll go back to kraken.io. You see that all of our images are downloaded. All I'm gonna do is unzip them or download that zip file, and then I'm gonna save that in my demo folder. I'm gonna go to my demo folder, wait for that to finish downloading, open it. It's just gonna have the same name, so what I'll do is I'm gonna delete these images right here, move to trash, and move to trash right there. And I'm gonna copy this and paste it right there. Because remember that we're looking for the images inside the images folder that's inside the demo folder with this specific name. So now our images are optimized. It's only 68 kilobytes now. Now I can have a lot of images. See how much we saved? We saved 55. Oh, I'm sorry. That image was 2.5 and I said it was a quarter of a gigabyte. I was way wrong. I was thinking 10. But it's 1,000 gigabytes for, or 1,000 megabytes for 1 gigabyte. But anyways, we saved 55.84 megabytes. That's a lot. Now the website's gonna be pretty faster, or much faster, and your users are not gonna spend as much data viewing your website. I don't know if you can tell, but it is faster with small images now. Alright, so now we're looking for author images. Let's look for an author back here. Alright, this guy looks like a published author. Author-1. This chick's just been writing for days. Let's download this one. Author-2. I don't really say chick. I don't know why I said that. And this guy. Author-3. Alright, so now you should optimize them, right? That's the proper process for uploading images to a website. You optimize them first and then you upload them. So now I'm going to change this to author-1, author-2, and author-3. Save. And there we go. Nice. Now you got some high quality images over here, guys. Alright, so you guys know how to change all of that text, right? You go to John or Tom Becker's CEO web design, and then you write a little description. And over here you have the A tag with an icon tag. So you would go to font awesome, and let's say you wanted to add this little ambulance, right? Let's say you wanted to replace that ambulance for the Twitter one. So you would click right at the starting point of the icon tag and paste over it, save it, and see now you have an ambulance right there. and then you click to your social profile, which you can find that, right? You just go to your profile on Facebook or Twitter, YouTube. Oops, sorry about that. And then you paste it right there. Now we'll keep going down. This is the last call to action. This is your last opportunity. This is last opportunity to convince someone to to take an action on your website. And remember that when someone takes an action on your website, that gets you closer to getting another customer, right? When someone interacts with your website, it means they're engaged with you and your company and they want to do business with you. And that's what you want to go for. All right. So let's go back to our template, see what's going on here. Contact us. Boom. Contact us. I would get rid of the I'm gonna get rid of that form because integrating forms is a little harder, and I'll show you how to do that later in another video, because you will need to create an email list account like with MailChimp or someone else and then integrate it. So I'm gonna have to show you how to do that. In the meantime, you know how to change all of this. These are icons. I don't think it's missing anything else, right? Yeah, it's all in there. Alright, so you just keep scrolling down, finding these words, finding what you want to change, and change it to say whatever you want. And then to get rid of the contact form, you're gonna find a tag that says you press the less than tag form and find it, and it's right there. So I'm gonna go to the tag above, which is a div. Find See, it highlights it, and then it's gonna highlight the closing tag right there. Hold down Shift while clicking, Command / save and reload, and now you don't have a form anymore, which you don't want right now because people are gonna be filling that out, and it's not gonna go anywhere because it's not set up yet. So what you can add, you can just leave this right here or add more information. Remember how to add another column? You would go to, let's say I want to add another one of these, right? So I would find our business office. Okay, cool. I find the opening tag for that, which I believe it's gonna be this one, right? I see it says div class col-md-3, and I see closest right there, right? So this is one column. You can see business hours. That's the other column. So hold on, Shift, copy, and then paste below it. And so now you have three columns. You can add another one and fill up the whole space with more information that you want people to know. And in here you can add your phone number, your email, your address, your hours. You can put more social links, whatever you want. And then to get rid of this over here, since it was a free template, you scroll all the way down until you find it right there, and you can write your copyright information, which can be boating, boats for boaters, all rights reserved. And then if you don't want a link, you delete the A tag right there. save. And now you're good to go. Voting votes for voters, all rights reserved. And oh, and by the way, you haven't. I just noticed it. It's a back to top button. That's what this is called, and they're usually used for long pages like this one where I have to scroll down a lot, and some people might go back to the top to see the introduction again or to see the navigation menu again. Okay, so that's it, man. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me or set up an appointment, and we can talk more. I can help you out or post a comment, and I'll try and see if I can help you. Okay. All right. Bye. You just built your first website, and you should be excited and proud of yourself. It's not easy, but you did it. And now comes one of the most important parts, which is taking it live so that other people can see it. And that includes the hosting and the domain. And if you're not familiar with it, let me walk you through how to set it up with SiteGround. It's the software or the company I use to host my websites, and they're very good. They provide great support and great service, and at a really good affordable price. Especially on the first year, they give you like 75% discount, so you should definitely try them out. All right, let me show you how.